Is this good news, or is it bad news for Terra Luna investors? Let's find out. Terra's Luna 2.0 price jumps above $10 after Binance completes the airdrop distribution. Terra's Luna 2.0 price appears to be gaining traction despite the legal investigation launched against Terraform Labs and CEO Do Kwon in South Korea. The token has risen by nearly 23% over the past few hours, overcoming the psychological $10 resistance level. The sudden upswing appears to be fueled by news that the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, Binance, completed the Terra Luna airdrop distribution to Terra Classic (LUNC) and Terra Classic USD (USTC) holders. Luna 2.0 up over 70%. Where can the crypto be bought? Terra Luna is dominating crypto news again. The cryptocurrency of the new chain, Luna 2.0, is up 72% in the last 24 hours. The cryptocurrency was trading at $5.86 at its trough and then rose to $11.97 within hours, a steep 72% rise, data from CoinMarketCap showed. This is not the only time this new cryptocurrency witnessed such volatility. The Luna 2.0 token experienced a steep drop on the day of its launch. The cryptocurrency plummeted 132%. The cryptocurrency was trading at $19.53 at its high before plummeting to $3.988 within hours of its introduction, a 132.32% drop, according to CoinMarketCap data. Where can Luna 2.0 be bought? Luna 2.0 has been listed on many exchanges. Crypto exchanges like Binance, FTX, Huobi, Bitrue, Bybit, Bitfinex and others are all crypto exchanges that support Luna.